Imagine this, you're running an online store, or maybe you're a content creator trying to grow your presence on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. You need constant fresh content, videos, ads, reels, product shots, but creating all of that feels like a full-time job. Hiring influencers is expensive, setting up shoots takes forever, and editing can eat up hours of your day. Now, what if there was a way to skip all of that? What if an AI could generate professional influencer-style videos for you instantly without needing a studio, a model, or even advanced editing skills? That's exactly what Creati AI promises, and today, we're going to dive deep to see if it lives up to the hype. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is Creati AI? At its core, it's an AI-powered content platform that specializes in creating visuals and videos. But instead of giving you generic AI outputs, like some other tools, Creati AI focuses on marketing-ready content. You upload your product, let's say a shirt, a beauty product, or even something like headphones, and Creati AI generates videos where an AI influencer showcases it, just like in a real commercial. It feels almost like having your own influencer team on demand. The best way I can describe it is, it's Canva meets TikTok, but powered by artificial intelligence. Now, what makes this tool interesting are its standout features. The first one is AI influencer avatars. These are digital models that look incredibly realistic. You upload your product, and Creati AI generates a video where the model holds it, wears it, or interacts with it. The second standout feature is instant video editing. Normally, if you wanted to change something about a video, like the background, the lighting, or even the model's outfit, you'd have to reshoot. With Creati AI, you just swap out the element you don't like, and the AI updates the video for you. That kind of flexibility is almost unheard of in traditional content production. And third, Creati AI isn't just about creating content, it also helps with automation. You can schedule your posts, repurpose your content for different platforms, and even let the tool handle your social media publishing. This makes it much more than just a content creator, it's like a mini marketing assistant. So, who's this tool actually for? Let's break it down. If you're an e-commerce business owner, Creati AI could save you thousands of dollars in content production. Instead of booking photographers and models, you could generate endless variations of your ads in a single afternoon. If you're a content creator, this is your shortcut to professional-looking visuals without buying expensive gear. And if you're a marketer or running a brand, this lets you scale content fast. Imagine pumping out 10 ad variations for A/B testing in the time it used to take you to make one. And this isn't just a small startup making big promises. The numbers behind Creati AI are pretty impressive. The company claims over 100 million generations have been made on the platform, with more than 10 million downloads and over 2 million monthly active users. On the App Store, it's sitting at a strong 4.6 to 4.9 rating, which suggests people are genuinely finding value. The speed and scalability are game-changing. Being able to create polished influencer-style videos instantly is something we've all been waiting for. The AI avatars are surprisingly realistic, and for small businesses or solo creators, this levels the playing field. You don't need big budgets anymore to look professional. So here's the big question, is Creati AI worth it? If you're running an online store or you're a content creator trying to scale your presence, I'd say absolutely, it's worth at least testing. It can save you massive amounts of time and money. For marketers running multiple campaigns, it's like having an extra team member who never sleeps. That said, if you're someone who only needs the occasional piece of content, the subscription might not make sense long-term. Before we wrap up, let me paint you a scenario. Imagine you have a new product launch. Normally, you'd have to wait weeks for product photography, schedule influencer posts, and plan out your campaign. With Creati AI, you could literally have product videos, influencer ads, and social media posts ready the same day the product arrives. That's the kind of speed that gives you an edge in today's fast-moving digital landscape. So to wrap this up, Creati AI is not just another AI tool, it's a full marketing assistant for anyone who needs consistent professional content. It's not perfect, but it's powerful, and in my opinion, it's one of the most promising AI tools on the market right now. Thanks for watching IdeaPlex. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more deep dives into the smartest tools on the internet, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep creating smarter, not harder.